Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy baked ricotta cheesecake with strawberries. It only has 4 ingredients, it's low carb, keto friendly and makes a lovely dessert. I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. So let me show you how to make this really easy 4 ingredient baked ricotta cheesecake. We're going to start by getting our strawberries prepped. I'm going to give them all a wash and slice them up, and it's up to you the size you'd like to slice them. If you want to chop them or dice them, just depends what you have in mind for your strawberry cheesecake. So I've just roughly chopped up all of my strawberries so that they are ready to go when I'm ready for them. So I've set the strawberries aside, got out a nice large bowl, and I've popped all of the ricotta in. So that's the whole 500 grams, just over a pound of ricotta into the bowl, and now we're going to whisk it until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Perfect, just like that. And now we'll whisk in the eggs one at a time. And the 4th and final egg going in. There you go, that is so perfect and smooth and creamy. And now for flavor, it is up to you. You can add a bit of vanilla if you want. You could even add a little bit of strawberry extract just to boost the berry flavor of the dessert. But I am just going to add in a bit of stevia. Just go for 1 tablespoon at a time, whisk it in 1 tablespoon. It's up to you. You could go 2, 4 tablespoons. You could go 1/3 of a cup, 1/2 of a cup. It really depends how sweet you like your sweet treats to how much you'd like to add. I like to go for about 3 tablespoons. I find that's sweet enough for us. So just whisk in 1 tablespoon at a time. And a 3rd and final tablespoon, and whisk that in. Okay, now for the strawberry goodness, it is up to you. You can fold a bit of the strawberries through now and then top the rest later, or only fold in or only top. It is up to you. I am going to just top mine with strawberries, so I'm going to have this lovely base of cheesecake and a strawberry topping. That is what I want to do, but yeah, it is up to you. So now we'll move this into our baking tin. So I've got a round springform tin that I've lined with baking paper and greased it really well, and now we'll just pour the cheesecake batter in. And then we'll just top it with all the strawberries. I kind of just got lost decorating with the strawberries. I started with a pattern and then just kind of went abstract strawberries everywhere. There's just strawberries in every corner of the top of the cheesecake, and it's going to go into the oven now, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 315 Fahrenheit, and just pop it in for 50 to 55 minutes. Just keep an eye on it, and I will show you once it's out the oven. My strawberry ricotta cheesecake is out of the oven, and doesn't it look so pretty? It's still quite steamy, but you can see it's come away from the sides. It's still got a little bit of jiggle to it. When I carefully move the bottom, it's still got a bit of jiggle to it, so it is perfectly cooked. And now just let it cool completely in the tin over here. So just let it cool completely, and then we'll kind of unmold it. I've got the spring form here. Unmold it, we'll move it onto a plate, and then pop it in the fridge for a good few hours to let it set and thicken up nicely. And once we're ready to slice into it, I will show you that next. So the cheesecake has been in the fridge for a few hours. It has hardened up and it just looks absolutely pretty and beautiful, doesn't it? So now I'm going to cut a beautiful piece out of it. So there you go, beautiful slice of cake over there. There's strawberries in every single biteful over there. It just looks beautiful, and it is such a light and fluffy cake. You can see cheesecake. It's just really perfect and crustless, as you can see, but you don't miss the crust at all. It's just a perfect cheesecake that, as you saw, was only 4 simple ingredients to make. But that is the video for today for this easy ricotta cheesecake with strawberries. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this lovely cheesecake a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.